GPX. What's your name again?
Joe, how you doing, Tyler?
Good. They've got all the Koves. Whoa, I'm in the way.
We're working here, buddy.
Get out of the way. Yeah, I'm picking up a couple of bikes. We got guys here from Colorado. They're just testing things out. That's actually the rally bike that they used in the Sonora, and it is freaking amazing. It's quite loud. But yeah, I'm pumped. I'm gonna go talk with Gary. This is the first day they've had him here. They just barely took him out of the container. I mean, you can see the boxes are still here in the crates. I believe these two are one of mine. I might just take one of these random ones because the one that I review, I want to make sure that it's it's not a special one. It's just something that everybody else is getting. But I am pretty stoked. Like these guys from Colorado were saying, it's like Christmas morning. Here we go. It's like Christmas morning here, where I didn't get any sleep last night. I was so stoked. I stayed up with my parents here in kind of central Utah. And, it was good to talk with my parents. I actually am here late. I should have been here earlier to pick up my motorcycle, but you only get some opportunities to talk to your parents. The motorcycles can wait, so I wanted to talk to my folks. They're pretty awesome. But yeah, I'm stoked. I'm gonna go talk to Gary. These guys are loading things up. I'm gonna see if I can help push here.
Frisky Dingoes.
The Frisky Dingoes.
Motorcycle Adventure Bombs.
Yeah,
You look us up
group,
on
man.
Facebook.
Okay.
More than welcome. Come out and ride with us.
Sweet. All right. Will do.
That's David, and KTM is Goliath.
Right.
And
Yeah.
we just saw David spank Goliath. That's the bottom line, dude. I'll tell you right now.
Oh,
I guess I got to take all this off and go burn it. It's over.
Oh no.
You know what I mean?
But what do you normally ride?
530, 6-day.
Nice.
And 990, EFI.
So a little old school.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I
Well,
love those bikes though.
KTM after 17 really just kind of fell off the earth, and
You know,
you know what I mean? They just cheesed out. in my opinion.
my 2017 300 and my 2015 500.
Right.
I like them better than new ones, man. Carbureted all the way for
Dude,
me.
I totally agree.
Yeah.
It's-
Gary.
Right? Right?
So, dude, sorry, I just bust in here and I'm making videos. I'm so excited. My nipples are hard.
Yeah. He didn't get any sleep, nor did I, nor did he.
Yeah, it's
We
like
just
kids
were
on
sleepless
Christmas.
kids
Cutting
out here.
diamonds, man.
Look, here's our two. Look, I got mine.
Here you go, guys. Here you go. I'll try to get my nips going. So I can join the nip crowd.
Oh,
Right?
gosh.
Right?
That's
up?
freaking
We're gonna test
awesome.
these bikes and soon, man. We're gonna one of them, if not both of them, are gonna be riding the Alpine Loop in Colorado.
Yes.
For the next 2 weeks, man.
Yes.
Starting the 1st.
Right?
Awesome. What
Yep.
city are you guys from in Colorado?
Colorado Springs,
Oh,
Pueblo
okay.
West area.
Cool. All right. Yeah. They got a truck filled with a couple of Koves. I've got my truck over there with the trailer.
I was like, sorry, dude.
What's that?
Just the one.
I'm picking up one and then one for my buddy. I haven't met him yet, but he said he's got a short one. Dude, I'm so pumped. Like,
And yours is the tall one.
yeah. Well, mine's just a normal. Yeah.
Regular one.
All right. Cool. So yeah, just sweet. It's Christmas time. That's so cool. Oh my gosh.
Tyler?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right on.
All right, man.
Riding Sunier. Man, how do you think this is gonna work? Yeah, right? That thing sounds so nasty. Right?
That's the funniest thing about these is down low when you're just chugging along, they kind of feel like, oh, not much, not a whole lot going on. But once you get like 4,000 and up RPMs, it's like, beep, like
It sounded great at 4 right
oh,
there.
dude, it's
Yeah, dude, right? Dang, dude. It's just nasty. Oh, he's gone. He went to Sonora, dude. He's out of here. Tyler, come on back, man. Yeah, he's gone. He went to Mexico. He's gone. What's your initial thoughts, sir, on your purchase?
Well,
you
it's
give
Chinese, so it's gotta suck.
Yeah.
No.
Right?
Dude.
Yeah, that face says it all. That's a piece of crap, right? Yeah, right.
Oh,
That's
dude.
a race bike there, and the
Yeah.
other one will be too.
Well, and the funny thing is, there's not a huge difference between this one and the other one. The exhaust is
Yeah.
louder. It's probably going to let a few more horses through, but
Yeah.
other than that and the mapping, I think
He'll
that's
be able
probably
to map
the
it
exact
with
same
this
thing.
exhaust. We're just giving it a couple weeks till he gets that all set up.
Oh my
And
gosh.
we'll probably come and visit you and get it remapped.
Yeah.
I'm
Hey.
dead
Yeah.
serious,
Yeah.
you know?
I'm not too far
Freaking-
away.
No, you're not. Right?
Oh.
Dude, it sounded insane. Like when you hit 48 or 6,000. Oh, dude.
Yeah.
All right, so here, this one's gonna be mine. This is a tall one. We got it unboxing. We're throwing on the dampened handlebars and everything. Look, right here, it says it's okay. So what does that mean? It's good?
Ready to go. Dakar ready.
Dakar, ready for the Dakar. Oh my gosh, these bikes are so sexy. I cannot wait. Yeah, I was just out in the parking lot riding around on the rally. The one that Sunier rode around. What is that? How you say it? Sunier? Sunier? Anyway, he's a rock star, and I got to ride that bike. It's pretty exciting. But yeah, we're just putting these together. Gonna throw them in the back of the truck, make it easy, and oh my gosh, I'm so pumped. This is how it looks. It looks like they're using the same sprocket on the. I mean, nothing's different from the pre-production versions, right?
As far as I know, they're the exact same.
So, then it's gonna be freaking rad. Oh, dude, I can't wait. Thanks for helping me put the bike together. Joe and Browning are putting the bikes together. Gary's overseeing the whole process, cracking the whip over here, right? Gary's the most stressed out guy I've ever seen in my life. No, Gary's probably the most chill person I've ever met. Not a lot seems to get you excited. But yeah, these guys are super awesome to help me get things sorted, get the bikes out of the crates so they're ready to go, and we'll put them on the trailer and rip. So it's on. Started like first push of the button. Oh yeah. All right, you guys, they are loaded up. We got my tall one here, regular, and we got Bruce's shorter one. See you, Gary. I am just over the top pumped. These things are looking good. They start up with the slightest touch of the button. I mean, just ready to go. They put a little bit of gas in them. GPX, Gary and his dudes are so cool to put these together for us. I mean, I was just gonna come up and get 2 crates, that's why I brought the trailer. You know, I could have just done it in the truck, but I was just expecting to get 2 crates, and they were like, hey, do you want us to unbox these things? And I mean, they're super busy. They've got all these to ship, and you know, I was like, oh, they're just doing it for me because I did a review or whatever. But no, they were doing it for everybody who comes in. They're unboxing them, putting them together for them. Doesn't take them very long, but still means a lot. The customer service is pretty rad. I am so pumped to get this thing back home. Even the wasps love it. Yeah, I wouldn't risk my reputation. I wouldn't pay $9 grand for something that I didn't truly believe in. These things are outstanding. So that's enough of that. I mean, you just, it's like an unboxing. I don't know. It's like a kid on Christmas. I don't know if anybody will watch this or who's interested, but I'm just super stoked, and I just want to convey that. I want to Kove that. Oh my gosh, that's bad. Much love, guys. eveRide out.